In Zensar, from the cloud and infrastructure services, we offer both hybrid cloud services, which is on-prem data center services, as well as all three hyperscaler. We deliver services around digital workplace services, which is more for managing the end user services, where we are helping customer to protect their digital assets.
And I think with ManageEngine, the kind of AI enhancements you guys are bringing in, definitely it will help Zensar, it will help the ESM tools practice to give the expected business benefits to our end customers.
Hi, I am Satendra Kumar. I am Global Delivery Head for Cloud, Infrastructure and Security Services. I am with Zensar from last 25 years. In my current role, I am responsible to manage delivery globally for Cloud, Infrastructure and Security Services. I am based out of Pune. We operate in primarily 4 geographies. One is Europe, then South Africa, and United States. I think in most of the cases where so far IT have been more of a support function for most of the enterprises, and how IT is enabling them is by giving the right set of insight from their infrastructure, from the applications and so on. And that is where we are seeing, the things are converging more toward the observability rather than having a siloed set of monitoring, like, monitoring network or data center or database and so on, right? So that, they can deliver value to their business users or end customer. To meet these evolving needs of customer, what we have done, we have separated enterprise service management as a separate function. And their key focus is to make sure that we are either creating an integrated platform for the customer, where we have our own platform, or we are working with the customer tool landscape to ensure that they are integrated. When it comes to technology and the investment, the banking, financial and insurance sectors are always the leader, right? They will basically work on all the cutting edge technology. So that is where we are seeing more focus. But manufacturing is also not behind, because they also need to make sure that they are producing the product at the right cost level. So hence, observability and ability is becoming very important for the manufacturing sector as well.
So I'm Mahesh Patil, based out of Pune. I have been with Zensar for last 6 years in the capacity or in the role of Global Practice Head for ESM tools. So I take care of the entire service management, the observability, automation orchestration, and SIAM CFS function for CIS. CIS stands for Cloud Infrastructure and Security Services. The industry is evolving at a rapid pace, right? So, there is a flood of information coming in, right? At the same time, the emerging trend is IT is no more a service function. It's a business aligned function now. There are business KPIs we are talking about. We are not talking about the SLA measurement. The service efficiency or the experience is not measured with if the SLA is met or not. It is measured with, is the end user satisfied? Is the end user happy? Are we exceeding the expectations? It is measured on those lines. Now the latest trend is we are talking about agentic AI, right? So the way I see it is, the ways and means of running operations as compared to last 15 years, those days are gone. And we absolutely need to be very resilient and very flexible, scalable to adapt all these technology evolutions if we have to survive into the operations business. And that's where I feel that the kind of enhancement what ManageEngine is doing. And I think with ManageEngine, the kind of AI enhancements you guys are bringing in, definitely it will help Zensar, it will help the tools, ESM tools practice to give the expected business benefits to our end customers. We are talking about all the GTM initiatives. We are not talking about meeting some numbers. We are talking about how we can do some collaborative work which could help the end customers altogether. And I think we are going in the right direction. Zensar has all the capability and skills from operations side to stitch the story together, to bring the integrated fabric solution for our end customers. And with the ManageEngine, the new product development, I think we are forming a fantastic team which we can take it to the customer.
So we have been working with ManageEngine for more than 10 years. In very early phase of our engagement, we implemented this product with for one of the largest credit rating agency, where we consolidated multiple set of tools to bring end-to-end visibility of their infrastructure landscape. In last 5 years, our relationship have strengthened a lot, and we are working into more at the strategic level, where we are also giving our feedback about what we are seeing in the customer landscape and how they should improve their product. The input which we are giving to ManageEngine is saying that how they can integrate this product where they can get into a more observability, they can give an end-to-end value to our customer and their customer. I will take an example where we have done the end-to-end implementation of almost all the product suite of ManageEngine. So this was one of the company in healthcare sector, where we have implemented all 4 or 5 suite of product from ManageEngine, starting from the infrastructure monitoring suite, then Desktop Central, which manage the endpoint devices, and then there are a couple of other products which we implemented. By implementing multiple product, what we also got is that we can bring a lot of synergy between these product, and we can deliver end-to-end value to the customer by leveraging the ITSM solutions. So the impact, definitely we managed to reduce the overall cost of the customer by around 30 to 40%. So the cost was definitely not the only aspect why we took this approach to implement multiple suite, because this also help us improving our overall productivity. We managed to improve a lot of experience and overall productivity. These are the 2 things which I would call out.
Hi, myself Ajit Chaudhary. I've been almost having 17 years of experience in observability and automation area. I'm with Zensar since last 4 years, working as a senior solution architect, taking care of observability as a tower. My activities involves around starting from solutioning till your implementation of the product, and making sure that whatever the products that we are selling to our customer, we are getting maximum ROI out of it. Back then when I started 17 years ago, right, monitoring was still considered as a okay to have kind of requirement. But over the period of the time, what we have seen the shift from our customer is they don't want to more focused on the element management, right? The focus is more about the business aware monitoring.
My name is Sudhar. I'm a solution architect in Zensar with a total experience of around 22 years plus. My day-to-day role involves, connecting with the customers, understanding the problems, their challenges, and trying to resolve them using the out-of-the-box solutions of the tools or custom solutions. Managing solutions are making our job much more easier, because I think they've got a solution for each problems the customer currently has. You talk about SaaS-based cloud solution, cloud monitoring solution. You talk about on-premise monitoring solution. You talk about a SaaS-based ITSM solution or on-premise ITSM solution. You talk about patching. You talk about security. Anything. I think they've got a solution for each and every points.
One of the use cases that I want to refer here when I've said that we are utilizing ManageEngine product apart from Site 27. There were customer in Europe region. They were using multiple element manager to cover their Windows, non-Windows, packaged applications monitoring or the database monitoring with the different sorts of tools. So what we did is we consolidated everything into ManageEngine App Manager to cover your not only non-Windows infrastructure, Windows databases, your packaged application like IIS, Web Apache, WebSphere. So that helped us to save cost to the customer and obviously deliver a better experience, because the operation team doesn't have to traverse to multiple tools. If I give a little insight, right, for me, partnership is all about having clear communication and transparency between two parties. So the kind of relationship that we have built over last 2 or 3 years with the ManageEngine that help us to bridge that gap between what is not available in the platform and what customers is demanding. So it's very easy to work with the ManageEngine team. It's easy to connect to them. This is happening since last, because I'm in Zensar since last 4 years, and what I've seen, how they are interacting with us, it's really commendable.
The visions of ManageEngine and Zensar are aligned, because I think both of them talk about the customer first, resolving their challenges and helping them out in overcoming their day-to-day issues. That's the main point. Though ManageEngine is majorly considered for a small business or medium kind of business, I think it really understands the enterprise level businesses as well. It's a good option to try out ManageEngine, because I think they have verticalized solutions also built into it. So it becomes easier for the enterprise customers, to implement it and make the better use of it with a less competitive pricing. I think the best part is the sales support. I think that's you call them anytime and they are available with you and resolving my issues. The relationship of Zensar and ManageEngine in the next couple of years, I see a very strong relationship. And it's growing for sure. I think we are closing down more deals than before, and I think it's win-win situation for both of us.
I'm thankful with the ManageEngine team to support Zensar in our journey, to give all the required confidence that yes, we are there and we can handle all kinds of challenges. I think that matters when I say that I'm a system integrator. I need that confidence. Digital transformation is definitely, it's not just only for tier 1 or tier 2. Even small scale customers are also aspiring that kind of a journey, right? And that's where I think ManageEngine product is in the top quadrant, I will say. For me, my quadrant is the cost, the experience what customer is getting, and the ROI. That's what I think with ManageEngine's product, the faster deployment time, the immediate achievement of your low-hanging fruits, basically getting that visibility that the products are delivering the expected output. I think ManageEngine fits and delivers that expectation. The digitization or the journey towards digital maturity, even for small customer it matters, and that's where the ManageEngine product comes very handy. In fact, couple of our enterprise class customers, you can call it Fortune 5000 customers also, we have deployed ManageEngine products and customers are quite happy with it, with the ManageEngine solution, which has helped us to elevate operational efficiency, elevate end user experience.